Guys, I can't believe it. It's been such a long week already, and trying to get the video completed today, one thing after another, and I've ended up forgetting to stick the end of the video in. So I'm going to include that now in the end of this video, and it is the numbers on the full transit truck. So quite a good video, that one, guys. I do hope, as usual, you did enjoy it. A lot of you do always enjoy these fleet vehicles, and quite a lot of you put in the comments of videos, when's the next one? So it was nice to be able to go there and actually buy 4 bits. There was a lot more stuff there, but you know, we had a little bit of a chat about it and said we'd just end up filling the yard up, and you can only go as fast as you can go. So I'm going to wing it today with the numbers. Hopefully Chris shouts over my shoulder if he does remember anything, but I'm even going to just round it off pretty much. I did work it out, and it works out that vehicle actually owes us £7,250 home. So it wasn't as cheap as the last one, but it has only done 114,000 miles. It drives very nice, and it was nowhere near as bad. We spent £250 on bits. So the door, what did we buy? The mat, the steps and the pedals, and a seat cover, yeah, so 250 quid. So a total is £7,500. We had to actually pick 2 up yesterday when we collected that, so both that you can see in the yard. So we did only get half a day on it yesterday, and we've had all day on it today. So a day and a half's labour. I've just flicked through online. The cheapest one I can find on there, I appreciate you guys could probably find them on there cheaper, or you know where there's one cheaper, but the cheapest one I could find on there had done 170, and it was £10,450. We're actually going to put that truck up for, what did we say, 9,000. 9,000. So that's going to give us a pre-tax profit of £1,500. So if you did enjoy the video, please do give it a thumbs up. We really appreciate it, and it shows your appreciation. Check out the merchandise. The link is in the description. Like, subscribe and share, and we'll see you Friday in the next one.